Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 5, Lesson 37. Adjectives and adverbs are easy to mix up, especially right after a verb. Today, we'll learn one simple test that tells you which one a sentence needs, every single time. Start with the two jobs. An adjective describes a noun. After a verb, it points back and describes the subject. An adverb does something different. It tells how the action happens. It describes the verb. So an adjective describes a thing, and an adverb describes an action. Same idea after a verb, but two different targets. Here is the whole test. Look at the verb sitting in front. If it's a linking verb, a being verb like is, seems, or a sense verb like smells or feels, use an adjective because it describes the subject. If it's an action verb, a verb of doing, use an adverb because it tells how. The verb decides the word. Linking verb, adjective. Action verb, adverb. Watch the same verb play both roles. The soup smells good. Here, smells is a linking verb, and good describes the soup, so good is an adjective. Now, the chef smells carefully. Here, smells is an action. The chef is doing the smelling, and carefully tells how, so carefully is an adverb. Same verb, but the job decides whether you use good or carefully. Now the classic pair, good and well. Good is an adjective, so it follows a linking verb. The pie tastes good. Well is the adverb, so it follows an action verb. She sings well. Don't say she sings good. And here's the one exception. Well can be an adjective when it means healthy, as in, I don't feel well today. Otherwise, good after linking verbs, well after action verbs. So here's your quick check. After the verb, ask one question. Does the word describe the subject, the thing itself? Then it's an adjective, like good. Or does it tell how the action is done? Then it's an adverb, like well. Same split runs through bad and badly. Bad is the adjective after a linking verb. Badly is the adverb after an action verb. Describe the subject, adjective. Tell how, adverb. Let's try a few. In this first set, look at the verb, then pick the right word. Linking verb takes an adjective. Action verb takes an adverb. Pause and try each one before I answer. The fresh bread smells blank this morning. Smells is a linking verb here, and the word has to describe the bread itself. That calls for the adjective, good. So the answer is good. Our new goalie plays blank under pressure. Plays is an action verb, and the word has to tell how she plays. That calls for the adverb, well. So the answer is well. After the long flight, Grandpa felt blank. Felt is a linking verb here, describing how Grandpa was. The word describes him, the subject, so we need the adjective, bad. So the answer is bad. 3 more. Same plan. Find the verb, decide if it's linking or action, then choose the adjective or the adverb. Pause and try each one. The team performed blank in the final round. Performed is an action verb, and the word has to tell how they performed. That calls for the adverb, badly. So the answer is badly. The garden looked blank after the rain. Looked is a linking verb here, and the word describes the garden itself. That calls for the adjective, beautiful. So the answer is beautiful. Maria isn't here today. She doesn't feel blank. Feel is a linking verb, and we're talking about her health. Remember, well is an adjective when it means healthy. So the answer is well. Let's wrap up. The whole question comes down to the verb. After a linking verb, use an adjective because it describes the subject. After an action verb, use an adverb because it tells how. The famous pairs follow the same rule. Good and bad are adjectives. Well and badly are adverbs. And well turns into an adjective only when it means healthy. Find the verb, ask linking or action, and the right word is clear. Great work!